Parking not even open? Actually got here early? Damn, I'm never able to get here early. All right, 10 minutes before they open. Damn, that's, man, damn. The resellers out and about, damn. All right, this is what happens when they got rumors that, hey, they might release something this weekend. I don't know. All right, just opened up, 9:59. All right, man, let's see what they got, man. Let's see what they got. Man, we're stuck by one person, dang it. All right, so everybody's waiting for heat, and they got a little heat section. Do got a heat section, we gotta check it out. I gotta see what's going on at the heat section. I don't really see too much craziness. Bunch of Jordan 2s. Oh, Rebellionaires. Those grade school, size 11 Rebellionaires. And then, yeah, I got a few Rebellionaires here. That's really surprising. Got a bunch of people trying to see what's up. Jordan 14s right there. Okay, they got all kinds of stuff here. I don't know if I need any more Jordan Rebellionaires, so I don't know. But yeah, everybody's looking, everybody's ordering. Gotta be quick. And they're not even limiting one per, so yeah, he's ordering a bunch. He got the smoke gray Jordan 1 lows. That had a replacement box though, so you gotta be quick. All right, so yeah, like I said, when I said, hey, tons of resellers here. Yep, and you gotta be quick, man. You gotta be quick. Crazy to have the Rebellionaires. That is insane. All right, let's see what they got in the clearance section. To be able to get Rebellionaires though, man, that's crazy. All right, so tons and tons of heat. We will talk about that at the end of this video. But yeah, let's check out the clearance section. 20% off the entire store. All right, you know what? Now that the line is done, we'll take a look. Remember, they didn't limit anything to one per person too. So like a bunch of people grabbed all kinds of stuff. Still got some J's left. All right, but all the really, really dope stuff, all the Rebellionaires all gone. Be able to get all that for 20% off, not bad. And I'm not really trying to buy anything right now, but I wanted to show you guys that because that's how quick it happens. Man, yeah, if you want to get super heat here, you need to come early. All right, now let's check out the regular sections. We do got some LeBrons. Okay, LeBron 19 lows. Okay, all right, stuff dropping 130 for those. All right, I got way distracted. All right, LeBron 19 130, 8.5. Thought we were in the size 10, apparently not. Waffle 1s, going for $110, way too much. I guess with the 20% off, everything's worth it. The free run 5.0. The 5.0 has to do with how flexible the bottom is. I forgot which number. Is it the lower number that's more flexible? It's supposed to make it feel like you have nothing on your feet, and then like the higher numbers totally feels like there's more support. I don't remember if it's vice versa or not, but $100 for those. Size 9. LeBron, let's see what these LeBron 19s going for. Size 10, go for 170. 8.5 Invincible Run Finance, regular price. What the heck? Then right next to that, got these ISPA things. The drifters. This is one with the separate toes, yeah. So do you wear socks? No socks with these? That's $2, regular price for that. Blazer GTs. I'm telling you, these at the clearance store for hella cheap. 9.5, regular price, damn. So they're giving us a 20% off, but the price is pretty freaking high, dude. Pretty high today. Kyrie lows, Kyrie 5 lows, going for regular price, damn, size 8. All right, some Witness 5s going for 80. Finally seeing some sales, but in the size 10 now. 270s, Air Max 270s, regular price, dude. This is one of the better colorways, kind of like a sunset colorway. I think that's what people are calling it. Okay. They had that on the Cortez, right? The Cortez, Dodger Cortez. But Lunar, oh, that's why they call it the Lunar Cortez baseball. Oh, that does have a Cortez upper. I've never seen that for baseball. Okay. Regular price, though, size 10. Got these bad boys. These are the Vaporfly Next Percents. Go for $100. That's actually really cheap. Goes down to 80. This is a size 9.5. Size 11. Giannis Immortalities go for 70. Is this the iShot Wears? Yeah, the iShot Wear. His first signature shoe. Okay. Those are going for regular price, size 9.5. Pegasus Oregon, go for regular price, size 10. Kyrie's 11.5, regular price. Damn, so it seems like it's all about the heat section today. The heat wall, But like I said, you have to go here early. That was just crazy. I'm glad I didn't buy anything because I thought about it. I'm glad I didn't buy anything because I just need to get rid of stuff. I'm not trying to resell. The Tailwind 79s right here going for 55. That's 11.5. But yeah, I'd like to see plenty of you regular people, the collectors come out here early, try to get some of that stuff. Unfortunately, there's a lot of empty trips. You end up coming and not finding anything. React Milers go for 80 bucks, size 11.5. Bigger section, Alpha Fly Next Percent size 12 go for $150 with that 20% off. That's not bad. Got 11.5s too. And then got these Prestos. These are going for 110. These are size 12, so not bad. Not bad. Multiple of these Presto size. This is size 13 right here, $110. Alley-oop size 14 go for 50. That's the cheapest between those. I'm good with those. More size 12, 170 for the LeBrons. Size 14 Pegasus going for 65. That's a really good deal. More of these size 13s. Okay. More of those. Some Kyrie Fly Traps going for 80. That's size 14. 15s. More of those. Terra. I thought these were Terra Tigers. These are the Pegasus Trail 3s going for 70. That's size 14. More size 14 Soldiers. What was the price? Dang it, just dropped that. $100 for these. Yes, I do pick them up, but yeah, these aren't even worth going over. And I ain't seen no size 15, just this right here. And yeah, that's a Phantom Rare Finance going for $110. No love for the size 15s today. Wow. All right, time to check out the aisles, and this is the time to capitalize on the aisles because 20% off everything right now. Do got some Jordans, just Jordans nobody's looking for. The Max RS 6 rings right here. These are popular and they go on sale. I know people be buying these. Air Force One mids, highs right here. You can actually see how the difference between the mids and the highs. Not that much difference. Okay. Oh, more Jordans. You got Zion's Access right there. Damn, I still need to review those Zion 1s, comparing to the Zion 2s. I'm meaning to do that. More Access, but nobody wants access to those. Liftoff right here. More of those. Damn, fools be spending way over 100 on just generic Jordans, huh? Why not 0.5s? Someone left these size 8 Converse right here. These are those funky looking collabs going for $80. Dang, dude. These originally went for over 100 too. Oh, it's one. I'm sorry. I don't know why the hell I said 80. 165. Holy crap. And nobody want that for 165. What the hell? Witness 5s. Another one of those. Third one right here. Then we got the fourth ones. Price finally going down on these. Damn, with that 20% off, that's under $100. That's what's up. That's what's up, man. We saw these on sale on the Nike website. Now we're seeing them comparable here. Giannis Immortalities with that 20% off too, man. Third different colorway of those. Flytrap 4s. Always got plenty of these. Number 3. Oh, I thought they had more. The KD Trey 5 9s. Damn, I didn't know they were on the 9s on these already. Holy crap. All right, we're 20 minutes in now. It's super calm now. Air Max 270s. Tailwind 79. Another one of those. And then we're starting to see these fall down in price. That's what's up. This is the Citadel though, so of course there's a line, always a line. Still got leftover heat stuff right there. Air Max Genomes. And look at these, remember these? If y'all watch my channel, remember these? I don't know, they must have priced it incorrectly because I ended up copping mine for $52. And yeah, I copped 2 of them, I kept one. One went to another collector, so that was pretty dope. Went to them for retail. Y'all might find out who it is. Air Max 2017s. Air Max Motives. We've been seeing these. I ain't seen these anywhere else other than the outlets. Air Max 2090s. Another one of those. Third colorway. I'm messing up the displays apparently. Holy crap. All right, we're good. Generic stuff. The Wind Flows. And the Pegasus 37. Go for $100. What? See, that's what I'm talking about right there. Hella cheap. Well, at least below retail. Infinity Run Flynets. Remember, everything 20% off, so not bad. These are the Phantom Rare Flynets, no laces, just some elastic material up front. Infinity Run Flynet 2s, React Milers, just cheaper upper, that's pretty much it. You do get full length React, get tons of it in the back. Free Run Flynets, Zoom Terra Tigers, Pegasus Trail 2s, more of the Terra Tigers right here. Jordan Hydro Slides. I misplaced mine forever. I finally found them. These are comfy. Cushioning, not the greatest, but does have arch support. Hard Benassi slides. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. That's the entire aisles. I posted on Instagram. Like, I try to post everything live on Instagram. And people are messaging me about like, hey, did they have anything? Did they have anything? Check my stories, you guys. Like, I posted exactly what they have in the stories. I even showed that heat wall in the stories. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, because that's the quickest way to get info to you guys. All right, let's go check out the little clearance section right there. The apparel clearance section, that is. Double, triple XL. $60 for these fleece shorts. These are super thick though. You got some more right here with the little earthquake. What is it? What is that called? The Richter scale? I don't know. EKG, Richter scale type of stuff. But yeah, 55 of those. I forgot what seismograph. That's a seismograph. Jordan logo right there. 55 down to 55. All right, the XL. Took me like an hour to try to remember what a seismograph is called. Holy crap, brains are slow today. Double XL, 115 down to 115. Dang, you call this a clearance section right here? Dang. You should get 30% off. We saw these at the clearance store. They were cheaper than that. All right, not seeing much today. Yeah, not seeing much, dude. All right, let's go. All right, let's go check another place out. I don't know. Probably short. Yeah, I think we're short on. This vlog's gonna be real short. So yeah, let's go check out Reebok real quick, and then we're gonna go home. We're gonna talk about this because there's a lot going on, man. There's a lot going on. All right, let's go see what's up here. Dude got 50% off. Some exclusions may apply, man. Hate that fine print. We still gotta look though. Always gotta keep track of this little section right here. My favorite section. Got a couple pumps. Okay. Exclusions apply though. Gosh dang it. This one also excluded from the promotion, but at least you get a discount. These old school mids. Insta Pump Furies, not a fan. Definitely a fan of these. One of my boys picked one up, man. These were 50% off for like a cool minute, like a day or two, and then they put them at regular price, bastards. Probably selling too fast. Dang that, but I probably would grab these 50% off. Solutions. Dang, they only have 2 solutions. Usually they have a bunch. And that's it. Then they only have this type of stuff, the nanos. CrossFit type of stuff. Gotta check the clearance section every once in a blue moon. They'll have something interesting here. Usually not my size though, but okay, got these. Forgot who the collab was with these, but they do have some answers right here. All right, let's try that again. But yeah, I forgot who the collab is. But yeah, they do got a collab right here. 150. That is a size 10. Remember, the clearance section you do get 50% off, I believe. And then you do get 20% off, or $20 off $100. No exclusions. Okay, but it says cannot be combined with any other coupon or member discount. Okay, man, they got fine print everywhere. What the hell? Oh, dude. The leathers right here. That's the hair collab, going for 75. Oh, the questions right here. This ain't bad. 135 to get that 50 off. That's not bad at all, dude. Was that 67.50? And then, but it's under $100, so yes. But that's 67.50. That's a hell of a deal. That's a size 10.5. Got these other ones. This is a size 9.5, going for 130. I'm too lazy to do the math for you guys to do the math. 50 off. $70 for these. These are size 10. Zig Connecticut is going for $100. Oh man, yeah. Smaller sizes, more of the same. And more of the mediocre. The Nano Prides, Nano 11 Prides going for 110. These are 11s, 13s. Just they just got this generic looking stuff right here for 60. It's 12.5. Yeah, just not much. More the Nano. Y'all think I'm hurrying through things? I'm even checking the top and stuff. This is a 6.5. I don't know why this is in this section because it's a size 10 section. These are going for 120, size 6.5. We'll throw these over here where they belong. But just not much. All right, let's wrap it up, man. Let's wrap it up. On to the next spot for me. And time to wrap it up for you guys. All right, guys, that was the Citadel, man. That was insane. Man, I don't know what to say. They had Rebellion Airs. They had like some grade school. Then they had a size 11. They had a couple of sizes. And then they had some other J's, some Dunks. It was pretty insane, man. It was pretty insane. I really wanted to show you guys exactly how things work within the first 5 minutes. You know, things happen really quick, so you really have to take action very quick. You have to be decisive, and you just have to make stuff happen, you guys. I didn't end up getting anything. I thought about it, and there are people I probably could have helped. There are you know, a lot of people could have used that Rebellionaire for you know, for retail minus 20%, because remember, 20% off all footwear. I'm 99% sure it included that the heat stuff as well, because it said all footwear. So probably could have helped quite a few people, but I don't know. Like, I'm gonna be honest, I just wasn't in the most helpful mood, because I was like, I've gotten stuff for people, and I don't know. So sometimes it's just way too much work, and you know, I still have stuff that I got for other people that they ended up not wanting, and I'm like seriously, like, I ended up getting this for you, and that, whatever. So yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. But yeah, they definitely had heat. If you go there, you better go early in the morning, man. You better go early in the morning. That's kind of what I've shown when I found those Air Max 97, the all white with the gum on it. Had to get there super early. I happened to get lucky, because I got there late, and I still was able to get them, but pretty much the only people who got them were people that got there right when it opened. And that's just the way it works. Yeah, that's the way it works. I don't know, in some of the other places, like, they do restock the heat section and that type of stuff. I don't know if they do that there. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not too familiar with the spot, even though I do go there quite a bit. I don't get any inside info or anything, so I don't really know exactly how they work. But most of the times, what I've seen is that they release stuff first thing in the morning, so you just gotta get there early, man. The crowds are gonna be crazy this weekend, because it is a holiday weekend, so the crowds are gonna be crazy. There's gonna be a lot of tourists, the casual people that go, and then there's gonna be a ton of resellers, because y'all saw what was there, man. Word gets around quick, so people are probably gonna be there. If you get there super early, and you just have to figure it out, you guys. And you have to have some luck, and you have to you're gonna take some L's. You know, you're gonna get there and you're gonna have nothing. That's kind of why the resellers tend to go there really often, and the collectors don't, because there's a lot of empty trips. Like I've mentioned, you know, you end up going and you find nothing, and that's why the resellers want to make some money, because there's a bunch of empty trips and they waste gas, that type of stuff. So it is what it is. Y'all see the way I do it. I do go and I catch a bunch of L's, or I'll go to places and there's nothing, and it is what it is. But yeah, hopefully by the time you guys are watching this, you guys are focusing on the Jordan 6 release. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, because I'm gonna try to release as much information as possible. I am gonna be out there. I'm gonna see if I can grab her. I do have one on. I have a reservation in Hollywood, so I might go there. I might go somewhere else where they have first come first serve. I don't know. Yet. So we'll see what happens. I do have other things to do, like family related things. So I have to help some family members with a couple things. So it's not gonna be all about sneakers, but I'm gonna be heading to some Nike outlets, and I'm gonna be headed to some spots this weekend, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Y'all know how much that means to me. Making it to the end, that just means the world to me, and the fact that you guys support my little YouTube channel, I definitely appreciate that, because you know, we all got time, and we could be doing other things, so I definitely appreciate y'all. Make sure you help a boy out, press that like button. If you're new, go ahead, watch videos. I got a million videos, you know, and I try to put out a video every day. That's always my goal. And yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Good luck, y'all, man. Good luck being out there. Hopefully y'all cop. See what happens. Huge line down. Going right in front of my camera. All right. That's what everybody's waiting for, you guys. That's what everybody's waiting for. Got Rebellionaires. Got everything. Got tons of stuff. Tons of stuff. Okay. Okay. There you go, Citadel. Doing it big. But yeah, look at the line. You got to go wait in line. It's already a pretty big line. Damn. And they got Niners gears. Dang, regular price though. And then it looks like they got 20% off footwear. Okay, but. Yeah.